So I had a plan for this week's video. Plan A didn't work out like I thought. I thought I'd work on plan 2, but I didn't get parts because I thought plan A was gonna work. So we're going with plan C, Chevy van. What we're working on today is we got this whiskey dent right here in the side. I think that's the best description of it. Looks like somebody turned into something and just kept going. Made it all the way to the back. So I picked up a dent puller, stud welder from Harbor Freight. We're gonna see if we can get some of this dent out of here. Once I get the dent out, then I can work on this rust spot down here. Cut that out, patch that in. And I haven't done the inside of this door yet because I need to get this dent out of here. Once that's done, I can finish the inside of the door. Sometimes you just gotta get all your ducks in a row, do one thing at a time to get her done. First we're gonna sand this down, get it down to bare metal. Then we'll bring out the stud welder and go from there. Okay, so I already took off my chrome trim here. Need to clean the paint off here. I'm gonna use a wire wheel. We'll start in this section because it's not as dented as here. Give me something to practice on. And I think I'll put it on a time lapse and go at it. The wire wheel's having a little trouble eating through all that. Go get a sander, go with that, try that out. Alright, back at it. Alright, we'll do a little bit of an unboxing video here. This is what you get at Harbor Freight. This is what's in there. You got the stud welder, slide hammer, you get 2mm studs, 3mm studs, and tips for each size stud. I've never used one of these before, so I'm not going to do any kind of review because I don't know what to expect. I have seen other videos on them. One thing that I did pick up reading the instructions is you need to use a big extension cord. You need like a 10 gauge up to 30 feet, and if you go longer than that you need even a bigger gauge. So I already have my 10 gauge cord plugged in, ready to go. I already cleaned up this spot, wiped it down with some acetone, get all the residue off there. So I think I'll set up another time lapse and start welding some studs, I guess. Alright, we'll try one at real time and then we'll speed it up. Get one right here. Good. Okay, so it's coming out pretty good. Need a few more in here. That's probably the worst spot. And then I got another dent through here. So the floor is right through here, so it pushed it in and that kind of curved around that. So I have to take a few studs in through here, I think. Not all the way across it. Alright, there you have it. I got a little overzealous with the slide hammer. I'm going to tap some of this in and grind them down. I'm not trying to get it perfect. I'm going to put some filler in there. I just didn't want it to be a 1/2 inch deep. I think that's going to be good enough for this spot. If you liked anything about today's video, go ahead and leave a like, maybe a comment. If you'd like to subscribe, that'd be great too. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.